Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Intraday. Inside this video guys, I'm going to be showing you another powerful indicator which I've explained before. And guys, this indicator is exactly the best what you need guys. So this indicator is a combination of two indicators. I've already made a video on it, and it is for free. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So this indicator works on step index, and it also works on boom and crash. And this is exactly what I explained in the previous video. So I'm going to explain it more, and I'm going to show you the setup of this indicator guys. I'm going to show you the setup of this indicator so that you also can set it up the way I set it up inside this video. So this is boom 1000 on 1 hour time frames guys. So to make use of this indicator, you only need these two indicators, which is the lucky reverse, and we have the TK supplies and demand. We have the TK supplies and demand. These are the two indicators you have, and this is how you take your trade on it. You just have to wait for them to appear on your charts. You can see what happened here. The two appear here, and we have our downtrend. The two appear here. We have the confirmation here, and we also have our TK supplies and demand appear here. And this is exactly the right time for us to take our trade. And same principle also happen here. We can see that we have our TK supplies appear first, and we have our lucky reverse appear the second times. Then we have our trade moving on the downtrend, and here we have a rejection zone, and it pull back a little bit back to the first indicator, and that is when it begins to skyrocket. And you can see now it's still 1 hour time frames. We can see that our trend for this week or in the next 2 days is going to be on a downtrend until we have another confirmation that we are on the up trend. And that's exactly how this indicator works. The same principle also works on step index. The same principle also works on step index. We can see what happened here. We have our confirmation here, and it pull back a little bit, it make a reverse, and we have our trend currently moving on the downtrend now. And exactly this is same principle that I've been working so far. You see that it pull back a little bit, move on a trend, it pull back a little bit before finding its way on a long trend or downtrend. You see that. And we also have another confirmation here. You see what happened here. It pull back a little bit to this level, but it does not respect that. It respect that level, and it pull back. But we have our rejection zone at this particular level. You see that it reverse back and it pull back here, and that's exactly where we have our trend. So to get this indicator, what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you're going to get access to it. So let me show you the setup. The TK format value is always in 50, and we have our two color here. That's exactly the setup. And also for the reverse level, we have our value to be on 60, and this is our color. Just screenshot it, and you are going to have your accurate setup on your chart. So this indicator is for free. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator for free. You are going to get access to the indicator. Is there in the group. I've already dropped it inside the group. And also you can also use this indicator to trade on a lower time frames. You can see that on a lower time frames. It works on a lower time frame. This is 15 minutes, and it works very well guys. So that's exactly how to make use of this indicator. So guys, so you can also use it to trade on lower time frames on your boom and crash index. All what you need to do is to confirm the trend, and before you move on the downtrend. You can see that we have our rejection giving us a zigzag trade at this particular level, but our original move started from here. And if you check here, if you check it on 1 hour time frames, you can see that is exactly where our trend starts. Our confirmation is already at this particular level guys. So this indicator helps you to determine the trend of the market in everything. So we can see what we have in boom in the next 2 days. We can see what we have in our step index in the next couples of hours to determine our trade. So guys, join my Telegram group, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thanks.